Alright guys, let's take a look at the mower. It is a Cub Cadet LT46. The reason I got all this other stuff out here is because I just got finished doing the yard. I was getting ready to put everything up. And I thought, well hell, why not just do a quick video and talk about this mower a little bit. It is a LT46. It's a Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro series. If you look at, it has the 4 wheels. It's like a floating deck. The mower still looks new. I ain't really gonna do a review on this thing because I do have a video of when I got it if you want to see that. But I was just kind of talking about the mower. It's done a good job for me. Way over a year. I don't know why I always do that. But the mower has I'm out of breath because I've been walking around with that weed eater. Everything works fine. I have no problems with it. It does need blades. I do have some. I just haven't put them on there yet. I was just kind of trying to do one more cut before I put them on. I don't have any problems with it. There was one issue I had. This thing felt like I was riding a go-kart, but it came with about 35 pounds of air in these tires, and like I think I got like 5 or 10 pounds in it, and that'll kind of help give you some suspension. The seat suspensions, I think I bottomed them out because it beats the crap out of me. It's been a good mower. With the gas prices being what they are, the dude tried to sell me an electric lawnmower, but it takes about 3 hours to cut this grass. Because I cut 3. I have 11, so I don't think electricity is the way to go. Not for me. I do have an electric leaf blower, but it ain't worth a damn. So I know I'm rambling a little bit, but I'm trying to get to a point. If you have a small yard, I wouldn't buy like this because this be way too much. But for like, if you're gonna cut 3 acres, this will work perfect. I had 42s before, 42 inches, and they, it's a lot. This yard's a lot. If you don't get out here and do a lot of picking up, or like me, I'll take that leaf blower and just kind of blow to the woods out there. I don't know if you can see that, but overall, I'm happy with the mower. I'm glad I bought it. There I am again with my arms. Everything on it's been good. I'm happy with my purchase. If you're thinking about picking one of these up, if you can get it for a good deal, buy it. You can't. This has been. Usually, the first year I had my Troy build, I had problems with it. I had them bought a belt or two, and I haven't had to replace anything on this, knock on wood. It might break it when I take it back and put it up, but so far it's done me good. I feel like I got a good deal for my money. I like it. Yeah, it's kind of like a grown man's go-kart. I like to be out in the yard and like ride around. I guess I'm at the age where, I don't know, maybe I need to get me a golf cart or something because I don't really want a bunch of noise. But anyway, there I go again rambling. Yeah, I like it. And like I said, it's a good mower. I'm really happy with it. And all those people that tell you about the bad transmission, I don't know what kind of abuse they get done to them. I probably wouldn't suggest pulling a big heavy trailer. That'll probably kill it. I do have a lawn sweeper that I pull with it in the fall to get the leaves up, and that's the only thing that I have pulled it with it. I haven't pulled any trailers or tried to tow no cars or none of that craziness with it. I'm happy with the mower. Again, I say, because I don't really have a whole lot to say. The battery held up. We had one of the worst winters in history, and it set out, well, it's set in a building, but with no climate control. I didn't have any problems with it, with the battery. I changed the oil and I don't know, in May, like the first cut, and it looked good. I mean, I feel like I wasted my money because it looked brand new. Real happy with this mower. Can't say enough good things about it. Everything's held up. I appreciate y'all watching the video. I know I normally do like a knife video or something, but I'm gonna just kind of incorporate this because I see a lot of interest in my other Cub Cadet, and I just wanted to put a period on, you know, it's been 1 year. So I don't know, really happy with it, really satisfied. If you have any questions or any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be glad to, you know, answer or try to help you. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.